everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone touchscreen not working issue. Many Apple forum users have reported that their iPhone touchscreen stopped working after updating. Usually this problem occurs after you drop your iPhone, notice other software bugs or install faulty apps. Additionally, certain screen protectors may hinder your display. Worry not, we have found several solutions to fix the problem and get your iPhone screen to respond to your touch once again. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and then press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is uninstall problematic apps. If you have noticed that your iPhone screen becomes unresponsive while using a particular app, that app might be cause of the issue. Buggy apps can also be the reason for your iPhone screen not responding to touch. Try uninstalling the app and then restarting your iPhone. To uninstall an app, tap on the app and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone. Resetting your iPhone to factory settings is a surefire way to fix any software related issue. This will delete any photos, videos or saved files you have on your device. It's important to back up your iPhone before performing a factory reset. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to general option. Next, scroll down and go to transfer reset iPhone. Here, choose erase all content and settings and then tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you if your touchscreen is not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.